In this video, I just want to show real quickly how to replace a reservoir brake fluid cap on a 2005 Jaguar X-Type 3.0. This cap actually split on me when I was in the engine bay. I saw this was split. It wasn't leaking, but it would have got worse and worse, and I wanted to replace this. I found caps online from anywhere $30 to $60, and that was a little bit out of my range. I wanted to find something less expensive. So I went online, did some research, and on Amazon, actually found this cap, and it was a $7 cap at the time. I believe it's $10 now. But it says it doesn't fit for this Jaguar. However, in the comments, someone posted that they got the same cap for a 2003 Jaguar, and it works. So I decided Amazon, I can always send it back if it doesn't work. You can see this cap here, I use JB Weld. You have to replace this. You can't do anything like JB Weld or tape. It's got to be replaced. So luckily I found this cap. Same size cap. Look at the bottom, very similar with this little gasket kind of thing. So went ahead and put the cap on and fit perfectly. So I saved myself quite a bit of money. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.